Happy New Year to you too, Katja from Mr. Zoni. Hello, pare ko. Pare ko ako. So now you see guys our municipal building. That is the decoration. You see? Ayan. Ayan guys. So we are going to see the I don't know if they put here the artificial ice rink, but we are going to see guys. So there you go. Hindi man maintindihan ng mga bisita mo. Grabe si Inang talaga pasaway. Oh, you see? Yan, every street we have these lights guys. So this is the very popular bank here in our town since 1943. Parang nahihiya na ako nito. Naglalive sa daan. Ano to? Hindi man maintindihan ano to. NCAT. Kasali tayo sa ipapabarangay niyan. Very festive. Thank you, Mr. Zoni. This is my first time to do live streaming here in the street. I mean at night, in the evening. So, I don't know if my video is shaking. So, sorry guys. I just want to show you our town at night and show you the lights. So this is the Christmas festival here in our town. You see? This is the Christmas festival. You see? Ayan, napasyal ko na kayo. Iniiwasan ko pa naman makuha yung mga mukha ba. Baka mamaya nandito yung anak ko kasi sabi niya pupunta daw sila dito mag-ice skating. So there is a nice rink here guys. And it's too crowded. You see? There is a nice rink here. You see? Sabi ko, iwasan ko yung mga kumuha ng mga video ng mukha Itong mahirap, baka makilala nila ako dito. Tapos pag nag-upload ako ng video ko, naku po. Ayan guys. So there is a nice rink here now. Ay naku. Ayan yung ice rink. Ay naku, nahulog yung bata. There you go. Hindi ako gaano makapag doon kasi maraming mga bata kasi hindi ako pwedeng mag-video ng mukha ba. So, here you go. Bon Nadal is Merry Christmas in our Valencian language. Bon Nadal. So, that is the ice rink, guys. Yung wet everyone is having fun, right? Yes. I don't know if my daughter is there because she go out with her friends. And I am afraid she can see me here in the street taking videos. So here we go. There the coffee shops are full. Cotton candy. Somebody wants cotton candies here. And then, oh my God, the churros. The churros shop is full. Moment. So you see, guys, it's beautiful here. So that is the churros. Somebody are taking videos here.